Hey everyone, KB here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fold and cut a zine. So before we start, allow me to please share the OK2B zines, of which I have 3 issues so far. The first one is all about food, and then the second issue is all about plants and animals. This is a double cover, so when you flip the copy, it shows both of these covers. And the third one is all about different kinds of health, and that's why the title is Okay to Be Healthy. All of the print editions are available on heykebe.gumroad.com, and if you're based in the Philippines, you can go purchase a copy. I will also leave the link in the information box so you can easily click and purchase. And now we move on to the folding and cutting. Let's put this aside. So I have here a legal size bond paper. You can use different types or different sizes even, and it's just going to come out the same. So what we do is we can start by folding this in half. You can choose to go crosswise first or lengthwise. It doesn't matter as long as it gives the same result. So you should have 2 halves. So for each half, you also fold it like so. So it should look like that. When you open it, it has 4 columns. So now we need to make 8 sections, so we have to fold it lengthwise like that. So now you have 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go back to folding it like this. And then find the middle and then get a pair of scissors because we will need to cut. So when you're here, cut up to this part right here. Let me show you. So now we have this parting in the middle. So when you open it, it should have a slit there. So what this does is to connect all the pages into one. So now we fold it again and then go like that. Press it so that it forms a sort of diamond. And then make all the edges meet together and then crease. So don't worry if it's not perfectly folded or creased. You can always go back and just press them more neatly, but the end result should look like this. So we have the front cover, the inside pages, and then the back cover. So now you have a zine. So you have, let me see, you have 4 spreads. No, you have, 4 spreads, and you can do whatever you want with all the 8 pages. Now I'm going to be showing you these DIY zines that are based on my OK2B zine. So this is for issue 1, and then for issue 2, this, and then for issue 3, there. So now we shall fold and cut. that's a simple way to fold and cut a zine. And now we have these tiny editions of the OK2B issues. So that's number 3, and then we have number 2 there, which is also a double cover. And then we have number 1, of course. I hope you found this useful and fun, and I hope you do try to make your own zine. And if in case you want to buy any of these or all of these, they are all available on my Gumroad and on my Patreon. All the links will be in the information box, so please go ahead and read and click and buy. Thank you so much for watching, and a shout out to my patrons and my A crew and A club. I'll talk to you soon.